decentralized blockchain application that is reinventing traditional group savings by using blockchain technology. So this is our team. That's Gets and me. We have two developers, Joan and me, and Ray is our business guy. So what's the problem? The problem is that we have a huge market for chamas. Most Kenyans are using chamas. Actually, more Kenyans are using chamas than they're using banks. But the chamas have a lot of problems, issues with transparency, governance, default risk, and embezzlement of funds. So those are the pros and cons, and that's where Chama Dapp comes in. And especially why now? Well, it's the time of the DeFi. This is an idea whose time has really come. The DeFi market is growing, and I think this is an indicator of a strong potential for DeFi to redefine financial systems. This is just a comparison of what Chama Dapp does and the traditional apps that are existing, and Chama Dapp really stands out in this regard. So our solution is really simple. You just a user gets to our platform, creates a chama, they join a chama, and payouts, automatic payouts are executed, and there is a contribution cycle, and also a member can exit the chama at will. This is our architecture, of course. Smart contracts interact with the front end, and you have a simple serverless backend for notification management and subscription management of users. Each time a chama is created, users get notifications, and this is also our smart contract architecture. Our smart contracts interact with each other. We're deploying on ZK, Sepolia testnet, Scroll, and it's quite a robust system which we believe will serve the purpose it's supposed to. And on our roadmap, we plan a lot of things, improving the UI, also having an AI agent, collaborations with fintech and microfinances, local institutions, just to onboard as many users as possible. So we can go to the actual Chama Dapp itself and see how it works. So this is the app. The first thing is that when a user lands here, they can subscribe the email and they'll get an email once a chama is created. So we'll try and probably create one chama. We'll just use the create chama. So we can call it for test open economy chama. I think I've created one. I'll call it 2. Okay, 2 to differentiate, and together, just a simple description rather. Together we arise, upwards, onwards. Wag me just for fun there. Yeah, and we set the contribution cycle. You can put it to a week, and there's this the security deposit. You can say 0.3 ETH, and we plan to have that to be like multiplied by the total number of users in the chama. So this is the penalty in case someone defaults, and we can have like just like 8 members. And once we do that, we'll send a blockchain transaction to create the chama actually on chain. Let's unlock our wallet and get our chama created. So I'm expecting a transaction to pop up here. Yeah, I'm not sure whether okay, it's there. Thank you. So we'll confirm it, and we'll have a chama created, and at this instance an email will be automatically sent to the subscribed members that that chama has created. Let's check a pop-up over here. So let's see. We need to wait. Yeah, it has successfully been created. We see the toast message, and we have a redirect to the chama page, and let's check whether open economy chama was created. Then we can join it again, and once we confirm, so 0.0 ETH will be deducted from the wallet, and we'll have now joined that chama, and we should expect auto payments and auto distribution. We also plan to engage more on the deposits for the users, like getting them to be used as a form of yield generation, but this also depends with the members, because chamas, you realize they're like a mini DAO. Yeah, that is it, 0.03 ETH. That's the weekly contribution, and if we have 8 members, so we'll get like 0.03 by 8 I'm a subscriber. Let's check the inbox. I think it should be, yeah. So the chama has been created, and it gives the details so that people know the chama has been created, and it also has a URL to guide users to join the chama, which leads actually to the join page. So the other thing, we go back to our DApp and check whether it has loaded. So chama, the open economy chama, we are there. So there's also an option to invite members. You can share on Twitter or any other, all the social media that we have put there, so that people can invite members to their chama. So in a nutshell, that's Chama Dapp. I appreciate you guys being with me to this end, and we are integrating more features. You realize that you're also trying to have like an AI agent over here to guide the users over here, and we try and improve it and get this up to users who need it the most. Thank you so much for being to me. It's hanging somewhere.